Achilles heel. The fall of Singapore to the Japanese proved the Achilles heel of the British power. An apple of discord. Kashmir is an apple of discord between Pakistan and India. Read between the lines. Only a clever person can read between the lines. En route. I broke my journey at Sialkot en route to Kashmir. Ex officio. The chairman is an ex officio member of this committee. Correction. He had gone there yesterday. He went there yesterday. I had not written any letter last night. I did not write any letter last night. If you will come to me, I will help you. If you come to me, I will help you. He did nothing but played. He did nothing but play. Do you know to swim? Do you know how to swim? Pair of words. Affection. I have great affection for my students. Affectation. It is always easy to distinguish between sincerity and affectation. Human. To err is human, to forgive divine. Human nature is the same all over the world. Human. Always treat the poor in a human manner, humanly. The doctors have done all that is humanly possible. Immunity. Vaccination gives immunity from smallpox. Impunity. You cannot violate the laws of nature with impunity. Incredible. The report that you killed a tiger with a knife is credible. Incredulous. I have not seen such an incredulous person as you are. Moral. The moral standards in Islam are very high. Morale. The army recovered its morale and fighting power. Write a précis of the following passage and suggesting a suitable title. One of the fundamental facts about words is that the most useful ones in our language have many meanings. That is partly why are so useful. They work over time. Think of all various things we mean by the word foot on different occasions. One of the lower extremities of all human bodies, a measure of words, the ground about a tree, 12 inches, the floor in front of the stair. The same is true of nearly every common noun or verb. Considering the number of ways of taking a particular word, the task of speaking clearly and being understood would seem pretty hopeless if it were not for another very important phase about language. Though a word may have many senses, these senses can be controlled up to a point by the context in which the word is used. When we find the word in a particular verbal setting, we can usually decide quite definitely which of the many senses of the word is relevant. If a poet says his verse has 3 feet, it doesn't occur to you that he could mean it's the yard long or it's 3-legged, unless perhaps you are a critic planning to puncture the poet with a pun about his lumping verse. The context rules out these maverick sense quite decisively. Précis. A word has always been pregnant with many meanings. The word is capable of being expanded into several shades. The relevant senses of words are determined by their context. A poet's feet never means length, but the poetic diction, rhythm and syntax. The knowledge of semantics is of paramount importance. Translation उर्दू टू इंग्लिश। सकाफ़त के मानी है इंसानी जहन की तरक्की और बेहतरी। इस्लामी सकाफ़त दुनिया की दूसरी सकाफ़तों से मुख्तलिफ है। इसका मकसद सिर्फ एक फ़र्द या कौम की बेहतरी नहीं बल्कि सारी नस्ल इंसानी की फ़लाह है। इस्लामी सकाफ़त के रहनुमा पैगम्बर इस्लाम है। इसका दस्तूर कुरान है और इसकी मंजिल खुदा है। इस्लाम इंसानी कोशिशों के मकासद का तयन करता है और इन मकासद के हसूल के लिए मुकम्मल रहनुमाई करता है। ये हमें एक मुकम्मल ज़ाब्ता हयात फराहम करता है जो हयात इंसानी के सभी पहलुओं का अहाता करता है। Culture means the development and improvement of human mind. Islamic culture is different with the other cultures of the world. Its aim is not the improvement of an individual or a nation, rather it aims at the amelioration of all the human race. The leader of Islamic culture is Prophet, peace be upon him, of Islam. Its charter is Quran and its destination is God. Islam defines the objects of human efforts and gives complete guidance for the acquisition of these objects. It provides a complete code of life which covers all the aspects of human life. वोकेबलरी, अर्जेंसी, फौरी तवज्जो की ज़रूरत, अनरिलेंटेंटली, बेरहमी से, टिनेशियस, मजबूत, टिंच, हल्की सी झलक, विवेशियस, जिंदा दिल, विद यानी कि, वियावीज, आमने सामने के मुतल्लक, विच हंट, सियासी पकड़ तकड़, वेंटेज, बरतरी, विंटेज, साल की बेहतरीन शराब,